What's up, everyone? Welcome back to episode 5 of my garage build. One of the things you didn't see in a previous video, because I wasn't recording, was there used to be a workbench over here. And to me, that's the wrong placement where the workbench should be, and it was very not well put together, say that. And I think the proper place for the workbench will be back in this corner, which is where I plan to put mine. That workbench, for as sketchy as it was and rickety as it looked, it was pretty hard to take out. It had anything from 2x4s, pieces of drawers, fence slats, anything you could throw together that was wood to make a workbench. One of the things I'm going to do though is I saved some of that wood. You see here behind me, and there's some up here on the loft. So I want to expand that loft so that I can do some more organization and get some of the stuff off the floor. Let's get started. Alright, so I measured the distance between the two beams that are up there, and it's about 50 inches. I measure this piece of board and get roughly 60 and a half. This side has some nails on it still that I didn't take out, and this side has some pretty big holes from the carriage bolts they use to hold the workbench together. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take about maybe 5 inches off each side. That should get me the 50 that I need, and then bolt it up. Okay, now that I've marked my 5 inches on both sides, I'm going to measure the distance between those two lines just to make sure that I'm at the 50 where I need to be. Alright, looks good. Now time to cut. Alright, so the first piece mounted up good. Now let's get the rest of them cut. Alright guys, so I'm up here on the ladder to show you what it looks like. Nothing's screwed down yet, but I was able to get some of the boards up. As you can see, I got 3 boards in on this side. There's room for another, but I ran out of wood, and plus this space here is going to be a little bit tricky to get to. The width of these boards were about 9 inches. I think I got like a little less than 8 right here. I was able to get 3 on this side. The boards in the middle were already there, and then I got 3 on the other side as well. This is going to give me a lot more room for storage. I'm going to be happy to use it to get everything off the floor. I'm going to go ahead and get them screwed down now and start putting stuff up. Alright, so I got them all screwed up, and I got them all screwed on, and there's no good way to put that. I got them all put up. I'm not going to bore you guys with me putting items up there. So join me next time in the next episode. If you like what you saw here, give me a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.